I joined NPI 3 years ago. Interestingly enough, I did this exactly 3 years ago. Asked, what do I think about NPI? And I was a new member at that time, and I said I was looking forward to the opportunity of receiving a lot of business and meeting a lot of very interesting business people as well. Obviously, 3 years later, I'm still with NPI. It has been very helpful for me to be in this group. I've met a lot of interesting people like I had hoped I would. I've gained a lot of business contacts, and it's definitely one of the better choices I've made in business over the last 3 years.
I've been a member with Network Professionals for going on 8 years now, and I love it. I love being a resource for others. I love all the referrals I get, and I love seeing people come in here, build the business, stay with us forever and ever and ever as that business grows and becomes a resource for me, and I become a resource for them as well. I don't really know many people over the 8 years that have been with NPI that have ever come back and said, you know, this just doesn't work for me. Maybe it doesn't work for their schedule, but NPI always works to help you build your business.
I'm a member of NPI for almost 3 years. I never miss an NPI meeting. It's the most important event of the week. It gives me a chance to help other professionals, to meet new professionals, and receive referral business from them also. That's my most important event of the week, NPI. Thank you.
NPI has impacted me in a lot of ways, a lot of great ways. It's mainly the relationships that you build, the people you get to meet, the people that help grow your business, the people you get to help grow their business. And of course, the best part is the financial aspect. You know, my business has grown substantially since joining NPI, and it's just always good to know that you always got someone or several people or many people that have your back.
NPI has been great for me. My business was in Broward County, and when we moved it up and trying to get more business up here in Palm Beach, it was a great avenue for me to meet other business owners in the area and get my name out, company out, and make some new friends and family up here in Palm Beach. These people have been clients and friends, and great people to go to, great resource to get things in the area that I, from moving up here, didn't have. You know, different disciplines and things I needed to be done. I always had an avenue of people to talk to and get information from. I've been with NPI now almost 8 years, and it has impacted my business tremendously. Giving me a lot more business up here in Palm Beach, Jupiter, as well as our clients in Broward County. NPI has got chapters all over the place, so not only has it helped here, it also has helped in other areas that we were already established in. So it's been a great for me, 8 years into it, and I'm continuing to stay with it. Thank you very much.
I joined NPI in April of this year. It's been 5 months down, and it's been wonderful. I've received the support of all the members of my chapter, plus I have met many different members in the different chapters that I have also visited. All the people that I have met have been extremely supportive of my business and have shown me new ways to grow my business and have given me referrals to help me grow my business. I highly recommend NPI for any new business owner or maybe an established business owner that wants to grow. Thank you.
I've been a member of NPI for 3 years now. It's been a great resource for my business. I can think when I first joined about 3 years ago, there was a woman in the chapter, and she did an appointment for me where I met 4 women there. And one of the women ended up becoming a part of my team in Mary Kay. And now today there are 6 leaders in the top 2% of our organization because of that one referral. It's also been a great opportunity as I'm out doing business with friends, family, and customers, that when they say, oh, I need this, I can think of somebody immediately. And it's great to be a resource for people in business and friends and family to know that you can refer them business to somebody that you trust.